Okay, today I want you to use some shapes to do a picture. Okay, so I want you to use triangle, circle, square, and rectangle. So use these four shapes: triangle, circle, square, and rectangle. So, okay, so I'm gonna use four shapes. So I'm gonna use triangle. I'm gonna start with a triangle. Guess what I'm gonna draw? I'm gonna use a square. A circle. And a rectangle. So I have these four shapes. Now you could add more shapes in there if you want. I want to add another triangle right here. Another triangle right here. And let's use a rectangle to connect this. There. And so if I draw a line here, look, that becomes a triangle, rectangle. And this will be my rocket ship. I'm gonna color it. Let me find red. Red, red, red. Okay, I'm gonna use some red to color my rocket ship. And there you go. There's my rocket ship. And let's add some fire. And it's flying up. Let's add another shape here. Where's it going to? Let's add a circle here. There, that's the sun. No, it's missing something. Let's make it look more like the sun. Let's add triangles around the side, around the edge, yes. And there we go. There, we are done. So what can you do with shapes? What kind of pictures can you draw? So try to use a triangle, a rectangle, a circle, a square, and see what you can come up with. Alright, great job. Keep practicing and keep learning. Bye bye.